this first exercise that we're going to do, would you just mind spreading out just a little bit? This first exercise we're going to do is called Once Upon a Time. Off the top of your head, you're going to create a story, and we're going to see where it goes. It's all about just being open and trusting whatever comes to mind is the right thing to say. It also develops creativity. Are you ready? So, for example, I'm going to say, once upon a time, there was a
Ghost.
There was a ghost. And then so you're going to step forward and elaborate. There was a ghost, and you're going to describe that ghost.
Okay.
And then when you're finished, you're going to continue the story. And then you're going to finish, and then you're going to continue the story. Just think off the top of your head, let it go. Ready? Once upon a time, there was a...
Dog.
Elaborate.
And this dog, I wasn't ready for this one. And this dog was walking through the neighborhood and looking for the bone that he lost.
Looking for the bone that he lost, and...
The bomb is lost to get stolen by burglary, entered into this giant house.
When he went into the giant house, there was somebody there prepared to stop him in the house, and he shot at him.
And
luckily he missed and broke one of the windows and caused such a commotion in the neighborhood that everybody got in their cars and fled the scene.
love it, and...
And that's when the police showed up. And the dog had to explain why he was in this house looking for the bone.
And... Come on, Meredith.
And he gave a, he turned his back legs and then like turned around and like, looked that way, trying to get him to look inside the house.
And then end the story. Look inside the house, and...
He figured out that the bone was outside the whole time. And so he walked out there, and there it was laying under the tree.
The end. Some round of applause. All right, we're going to take this up a notch. You actually were a step ahead. This time we're going to do the same exercise, but now I want you to physically communicate and start using, for example, there was a big dog, and he would skip. I want you to really step out of your comfort zone, let it go. Are you ready for this? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Yes. Liz, are you ready for this?
I am ready.
All right, let's do this. I know you're ready. All right. Once upon a time, there was...
A huge rabbit,
Show me the rabbit.
and he hopped like this,
And then what did he do?
and he ate huge carrots.
And...
And he didn't know he was allergic to carrots, so he threw up all over the place.
Made us throw up the noises. Throw it.
He threw up everywhere. And unfortunately, his little baby brother rabbit went running through it and cried that he was now just covered in vomit.
Oh, show us how
He
disgusting
just
is
felt
that?
icky and yucky, and he just wanted
All right,
to
that's
get it
enough.
off.
That's enough. That's going to
Little bunny smells like little baby lavender.
Show me the smell. He's smelling. Go ahead. Show me how he's smelling. Oh, it's perfume. Oh. Continue.
Mom
What
still
else?
smelled like vomit, but the babies didn't smell, or the little bunny
What does
smelled
the
like
baby look like?
baby.
Show me the baby. Show me
And
the
then
baby.
she pulled him out of the tub and then swaddled him real tight and then held him to keep him warm.
Okay, this bunny is just getting crazy. Then he started, I guess, to speak Chinese. This is how I'm going, you know. That's the Chinese.
Get angry Chinese. Let's
Good
Get angry Chinese.
Chinese. Ni hao.
And then Travis, what happens at the end?
Then the baby just...
How did the story start, Travis?
The bunny that just... Huge bunny that would...
How was his tone of voice when he first started the story? Do you remember?
Big.
It was big. Was it inviting? Was it welcoming? Maybe. Yes. Yeah. In comparison to when she got angry, what happened with Susie with her body language?
A little more erratic.
Erratic. What else? What happened when he started getting mad in Chinese? And do we all understand it? No matter what he said in Chinese,
Yeah, he's upset.
we would know he's
Oh, yeah.
upset, right? Why?
Yeah.
Why would we know he's upset?
He's conveying emotion with his face and his hands and his body.
Yelling.
Yelling, tone of
The
voice.
tone of voice. And then what happened with your story, Meredith? What happened?
Consoling.
What happened to the
Comforting.
voice? What happened to the voice?
Quiet.
Soft and soothing.
Okay, very soft, soothing. So think about these things. How are you communicating to your team? When you're having a bad day and you're frustrated, do you think it's not showing in your face, in your energy, in your hands? And do you think they're not picking up on that? Become very self-aware of what your body and your facial language expressions are expressing to your team.
Together.
So you had to adapt.
Communicate.
Sound familiar? Adaptability in today's market. We're constantly adapting to remain relevant, yes? So you adapted. What else?
Everybody had to participate too. It was all something.
Teamwork. So had somebody been left out and not engaged, how would that person felt? Really left out. Think about that. Are you engaging, including your team members in decision making? Are they involved in the process? Thank you for watching that short clip of one of our Engage Teams 360 executive trainings workshops. It's a hybrid between a formal training and a more expansive type of workshop that really allows the executives, the management, the leadership team to dig deep, become more aware of who they are in terms of communication, to stimulate their creativity. And maybe most importantly, it's all about finding that ability to inspire colleagues, fellow team members to take their game to the next level and reach higher. A lot of the content, a lot of my approach is based on my 5 years with Cirque du Soleil, and it's a question of how does Cirque du Soleil not only create those amazing customer experiences, but it's also a question of how do they inspire, how do they promote and incite already great athletes and performers to go to a level that is absolutely extraordinary. It's all about engaging your team. So click on the link and discover how we can bring great value to your organization. Our workshops are not only fun, as you saw in the clip, it's all about transformation. It's all about meaningful fun. And by the way, we are also very memorable and impactful. EngageTeams360.com.